It's a travel day.
And it's cold.
It's not that cold.
It's cold.
We're gonna take you along the whole day.
Winterland, tell me all your secrets. Fill me in on your wildest moment. Hollow trees with yellow leaves with me. Dancing roofs, your painted red shakes the room. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know, let me know.
Time to go.
Winterland, you're my sailing ship. Guide me when you head for your trip. Right out of this wicked black and into bright sand. Straight towards the warm sun and into his hands. I'll let my feet roll. I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer.
Alan's working on his right now.
Winterland, whisper in my ear, make my troubles all disappear. Way on this wicked black, I'll feel the soft sand. Right under the warm sun in his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. When I get closer. Let me know when I get closer. Open up the sky for me. When you say I'll dig much deeper,
I just downloaded an audiobook, so I'm gonna try listening to a little bit of a book while we drive.
for me. When you say I'll dig much deeper, I will shout.
Time for the walk around. If you want to come with, it's cold. It's about like 37 degrees today. Not freezing, but cold and windy.
When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer.
That's it. We are free. We are disconnected.
Will I get
Cabin doors closed.
Will I get closer?
I am mapping us home so that if we get to Amarillo, we can just keep going. We want to check in the oil. Isn't normally part of every travel day, but we had an oil leak earlier on this trip, and we're gonna be cautious. That's great. Right where we left it. By this little bitty Airstream. What do you guys think? Lend us folks and for a rest as well. Truck stop break. I'm setting up a little party in the back here. Is that all right?
Yes. Do
you need back here?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna set up in the back here and take a little meeting while everyone else gets a snack.
You can just go ahead and throw the table back and we'll be ready.
Okay. Mommy's taking your seat. And he's riding up front to the gas pump. Have a seat. is blocked officially. I'll take it from me. Staying here a little bit.
We're just at a gas station.
Our loves travel stop, Conway, Texas. We made it past our goal of Amarillo. Now we're just getting extra miles in. Drive day essentials: gummy bears and a coffee refill at 5 p.m. Or, if you're Paige, very scrumptious vegetables and hummus. But I'm not Paige. I'm gonna go with the caffeine and the gummy bears.
So I started looking and I looked at Hotspots first. There was nothing like at a good stopping point. When that didn't work out, I went to Free Roam, which will show you everything. I like to click the little eye icon and turn on overnight stays just to get like the full picture, especially if that's all we're after. But I found this little campground. It has a lake and it was only 10 bucks. And yeah, tomorrow we'll finish up the drive and get home. So that's exciting.
I'm currently on 2 bars of 1X service with my phone. Can't get a website to load. Turn the Wi-Fi on. Not bad. Find a tiny corn.
Look!
Wow. Oh, it's been cooking. Only about 6 hours away at this point. Yeah. Moderate drive day tomorrow. Henry, so excited to be out of his car seat. Whoa. This is not your normal travel day because it's Friday. You know what that means? Drove all day, gotta drive all day tomorrow, and there's a video that comes out tomorrow, and it's not done being edited. Instead, setting up his editing station.
Directions on how to build trucks. That's what we want. Yeah.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Is it not gonna go? What? The mom bounces up the bigger dinosaurs before you get hurt. Why would he?
It's such better water pressure with the water pump.
Yeah, especially in that fabric.
Listen to this. Whoa. Wow.
What is it saying?
I've heard that one before.
Oh, our hike. I finished my sock. It's a sock.